Welcome to the exciting world of the S25 Ultra, a smartphone that's redefining what we expect from mobile technology. This device is not just another model, it's a powerhouse packed with cutting-edge features and an ultra-sleek design that catches the eye. Get ready to dive into its standout capabilities. First off, let's talk about the incredible display. The S25 Ultra boasts a stunning AMOLED screen that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making your videos and photos come to life like never before. With its high refresh rate, scrolling through apps feels unbelievably smooth, enhancing your overall experience. Now, we can't ignore the camera system. The S25 Ultra features a groundbreaking quad-camera setup that includes a 108-megapixel main lens, allowing you to capture details like never before. Low-light photography? No problem. With advanced night mode capabilities, your nighttime shots will be clearer and brighter. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the latest processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Paired with ample RAM, lag is a thing of the past. And let's not forget about battery life. With its robust battery, the S25 Ultra keeps you connected all day long. Finally, with its sleek design and premium materials, the S25 Ultra doesn't just perform well, it looks fantastic doing it. So, if you're ready to elevate your smartphone experience, the S25 Ultra is undoubtedly a game changer. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and comparisons to see how it stacks up against the competition.